everybody from Cleveland Power and Performance. So what do we have in front of you today? I'll tell you what you have. You have something different than what we usually have out here. You have yourself an SSR rolling chassis. Now I'm talking about it's a rolling chassis. It's got wheels on it, it's got suspensions in it, it's got a drive shaft on it, transmission, engine, and all that stuff to put under your resto ride. And that's right, folks, it has everything you need to drop underneath that truck or that chariot or that steed that you have in the garage. And I'm talking about everything. You got yourself your 5.3 liter engine, you got yourself your 4-speed automatic transmission, and all the other goodies that come underneath a truck. As you may know, the SSR Super Sport Roadster took some styling cues from the advanced design Chevy pickup truck with the way the headlights look, the fenders look. Well, all that's gone. We got rid of all that, and what we have left is only the good stuff. But another design characteristic that this SSR shares with the advanced design truck and many other old Chevy trucks is the wheelbase. I'm talking about 116 inches center of wheel to center of wheel, making it perfect to drop that old body right on top. So stop, drop, set the body on top. This SSR chassis really trips your trigger, really floats your boat. I want you to give us a call here at Cleveland Power and Performance, because the phone number here is 866-236-5031. Let's have some fun. Let's get it done. Let's make this one yours.